Knocking on Heaven's Door, easy version, level 1. First chord is going to be a G chord. Second finger, we're only using 2 fingers. We're going to use the middle finger and the ring finger, or the 2 finger and 3 finger. And your 2 finger is going to go on the second fret of the A string, 3 finger on the 3rd fret of the big E string. And you're strumming all of the strings. Second finger is going to be a pseudo D chord, and we're going to put the second finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string, and then you're going to put your 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, strumming 4 strings. And then we're moving to a C chord, sort of, and you're going to the 2nd fret of the D string and 3rd fret of the A string, and you're strumming 5 strings, A, D, G, B, E. Now you'll notice that these 3 chords all have the same shape, so your 2 fingers that you're using stay in the same orientation or keep the same shape. So this looks like this, looks like this. 1 fret away, 1 string away. Level 2 for playing Knockin' on Heaven's Door is going to have 3 fingers on 3 chords. So the first one is a G chord. The way we're going to play this is with your 2 finger on the 2nd fret of the A, 3 finger on the 3rd fret of the low E, and pinky finger or 4th finger on the 3rd fret of the high E. So 2, 3, 3, and you're strumming all 6. Your second chord is a D chord, and that is first finger, 2nd fret of the G, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the high E, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the B, strumming 4 strings. The next chord is a C chord. 1st finger, 1st fret of the B string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the D, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the A, strumming 5 strings. You have a G, D, and a C chord. Level 3, we're adding a 4th chord. So you have your G chord, your D chord, and on the first time through you have an A minor chord. So 1st finger, 1st fret B string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the D string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the G string. And then you do a G again, a D, and a C chord. So all of that once again: G, D, A minor, G, D, C. Alright, the last level, you're adding a pinky to a couple of chords. So your first chord is a G chord, second is a D, and then the 3rd chord, the A minor. But on that A minor, halfway through strumming it, you're going to add your pinky to make it an A minor 7. When you go to strum, and then back to a G, and then D, and then C, you do the same thing. It doesn't change the kind of chord or the chord quality, meaning it's still a C, it just adds a G on top of it. So I'm just adding that pinky to the 3rd fret there. And then you come back to a G chord. The strumming pattern: down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then you start over. When you get this faster, it sounds like this. it's gonna be divided this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1. Now what's happening on the C chord, or A minor chord, is you are the third chord that we're playing, is there is a skip in the middle of the 2 measures worth of strumming. So you have 1, wait, down, up, skip, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Without me counting. Then you head back to the home chord, which is a G. The level 4 strumming pattern, where you're adding that pinky, what's happening on your 4th chord or 3rd chord is you're dropping that pinky in, either halfway through, or it really can happen anywhere. I think Dylan improvises where he puts it. He actually probably changes the strumming pattern too. But to keep this simple, just put it in there somewhere after the skip. So see how I dropped that pinky in there? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and or 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and different places. On the C chord. So altogether you have this effect. Slower. This is what level 1 sounds like. Slower. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and level 2 sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slower. 1, 2, 3, 3, we're adding the extra chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's happening on level 4 is we're adding that pinky in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slower. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now full speed. This is what about the tempo that the actual song should be. 1, 2, 3, 4.